Hello, today we're going to replace the fuel regulator, 2001 Toyota Corolla. So what's happening is it's stalling when I accelerate fast. So then what I did was I checked the fuel pressure. So check out my other video on how you can check the fuel pressure. But basically the fuel pressure has to be from 44 to 50 psi. In this case I'm only getting 20 psi. And also as soon as I turn off the car, the pressure is leaving. It's not supposed to do that. The pressure should stay. Let's go ahead and disconnect the negative terminal. The regulator is under the back seat, and what you do to take out the back seat, just pop up these two sides here, one on this side, one on the other side, and you're gonna get to this, and you're gonna just start pushing this up slowly. It's gonna come out. All right, so now we clean this up a little bit. So first we're gonna take this out. We're gonna lift this up right here at the same time that you press the tab back here. So I ended up just pressing on the tab on the top of the tab back here and just lifting it right out. I didn't need to use a screwdriver. Now this one here, you have to take out this yellow clip. Fuel line, fuel pump power. Let's move this out of the way for now. So now that you got this out, go ahead and take these out. These are 8mm socket. So now you're gonna lift this up. Also, before you lift it up, make sure you mark the position. Go ahead and cover the tank. So as you can see here, we also have to replace this little pre-screen. So the pressure regulator actually just pulls right out. I might have to use a screwdriver. So here's the new fuel pressure regulator. So here's the old pressure regulator. There's a notch right here that you can use to just start pulling it out. It's just gonna go right up. Might be a little hard at first. Eventually it'll come out. So here's a simple test you could do to to check if this is bad. You just need any piece of hose that will go into the intake side. This is the side that goes into here that holds the pressure. Go ahead and place the hose on that side. Now you're gonna blow as hard as you can, just with your mouth. You don't even have to put any other system on it, so you can hear it. And you should not hear anything coming out of here if it's good. This is the one that was in there. So what you do is go ahead and you're just gonna blow it with your mouth through the end of this hose here. This is the one that was in the car. I hope you were able to hear that. Just blowing through there, it's leaking. Let's try the new one now. Here's the new one. Now we're gonna do the same test. We're gonna blow through the end of the hose. No leaks whatsoever. So the old one clearly has a bad diaphragm, or maybe even a spring is bad. So we're going to go ahead and install a new one. And there's a part number in case you need it. I recommend this brand instead of getting the there's some cheaper ones that have no brand, but I recommend getting this one. It's about $17 when I purchased it. The ones with no brand are $10, but it's worth getting a little bit better one, since it's a job that you gotta take apart the whole gas tank area. So we're gonna install the new one. Make sure you put a little bit of Magna Lube or similar around the new O-ring on the new one that you're gonna install. And also, since my pre-filter was completely broken, I'll be putting in a new one there and put everything back together.